guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be showing you guys a couple games that I think are pretty good. So I'll be showing you 5 first-person shooters, or sort of first-person shooters, that I like and I think are good. So this is just going to be a quick video, so yeah. At number 5, I'm going to do Arma 3. Arma 3 is a really realistic first-person shooter mil-sim game. It's kind of confusing at first. It's still pretty confusing for me, and I have a good amount of hours on it. But it's a pretty good game, but it's hard to learn, so there's a large learning curve. But besides that, it's pretty good. Number 4 is CROWZ. I don't even know how to say it. It's similar to Call of Duty, but different, and it's free. It's all these games are on Steam, by the way. Basically, CROWZ is a pretty new game. It is free, as I said, and there's different game modes, all the usual, what you'd expect. It's pretty realistic, pretty good. I think it's pretty good. Now, number 3 is, this one's Dayz. This one's more of a survival game, but it has some first-person shooter elements. But I still enjoy the game. I have over 120 hours on it. It's pretty fun, but there's still also a large learning curve, and it's very hard. I've had like 20 hours into a single life, or whatever you want to call it, in a server. Just died and lost everything, but it's still pretty fun, especially if you have friends to play along. It's kind of expensive. The most I've ever seen it go on sale for is like $26. Arma 3, it goes for like $40, I think, just like Dayz unusual. But Arma 3 goes for like on sale for like $7 at times. But it's still pretty hard, pretty fun. I do recommend modding stuff. There's a lot of mods, bunch of servers. You just gotta find the right server for you. Same with Arma 3. Number 2, this one's another game, Escape from Tarkov. It's another hard game. Also a learning curve, and it's just challenging in general since everyone's usually pretty good. I got this game pretty recently, so I'm pretty new to it. I think it's fun, but it's not the kind of game that you would just go on for fun. It's more of a game where, well, you do go on it for fun. I don't know. It's a very challenging game, but pretty fun. Especially, like, it's very enjoyable if you do good job. Number 1, it's another free game. You probably know it, maybe play it. Counter-Strike. CSGO, whatever you want to call it. Free game. It's really good. You should probably already know what it is, but it's pretty much a team versus team bomb scenario thing. One team has a bomb, one team tries to defuse it. It's pretty popular. There are actually other game modes, servers, and I've never tried the servers. Maybe they're good, I don't know. There's CSGO Surf, if you know what that is. But yeah, pretty good game. So those are the 5 normal games, but I'll also be doing 5 free games, 5 free first-person shooters that I also think are good. So number 5, Halo Infinity, whatever. Pretty good. I've played it probably once or twice, not often, but it's pretty fun. It's like Call of Duty if you could jump really high. That's mostly it. It's free. It's on Steam. All these are still on Steam. Now, number 4, Destiny 2. I've played a good amount in this game, and I still don't understand it very well, but I know a lot of people like it. Even though I didn't understand it, I thought it was pretty fun, and it was pretty good. It's got a lot of cool characters, monsters or whatever. Yeah, and it's free. And number 3, Unturned. It's pretty fun, actually. Hardly any storage needed. It's 5 gigabytes or so. It's like Dayz, but easier. There's a lot of servers that have, like, amazing loot that you can get immediately, like 100 times loot servers. It's pretty fun. There's a lot of stuff, and actually, if you don't want to buy Escape from Tarkov, since it's pretty expensive, like $45, I think, just for standard edition, it goes up to $140. There's Escape from Unturned, it's called, on Unturned. It's pretty much the same thing, but free. Now, number 2, this game's still in early development, still free, but pretty good. BattleBit. The full name, I think, is BattleBit Remastered Playtest. If you just go to their Steam page and you just hit Request Access or something, it's about 1.5 gigabytes to download, which is really good. It's like Battlefield, but more blocky, less realistic, but also really good. I don't think they have servers open at all times yet, because it's still in early development. So, yeah, but it's still pretty good. I definitely recommend it. And yeah, now number 1 is CSGO. I talked about it earlier. It's one of the best free first-person shooters. So yeah. Now, right now, I just feel like it. I'm going to tell you the storage and all the requirements for it. Or not all of them, just the storage. Counter-Strike is about 29 gigabytes. Escape from Tarkov, I think it's also 20-ish gigabytes. I don't know why when I looked it up it said 13, but for me it took up more. Dayz's 18, not including any mods. Arma 3 is about 40 gigabytes, I believe. Yep. CSGO, I already told you. BattleBit is about 1.5 gigabytes, as I said. Unturned, 5 gigabytes. Destiny 2, this one's pretty big. Actually really big. It's like, let's see, it's about 100 gigabytes. Over 100 gigabytes. Yeah, it's pretty big. To be exact, oh, actually no, it's 93 gigabytes. Still pretty big though. Halo Infinite, I think it's about 20 gigabytes, which is pretty normal for that type of game. 31, actually. So, that's really all. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and bye.